This is the Prism LCD SLA 3D printer, developed by a team of experienced industry professionals and award-winning creatives. The Prism is the ideal printer for makers and artists who want an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer. The Prism introduces new convenient features that make the printer easy to get set up and running. These features include Wi-Fi connectivity to allow you to wirelessly manage your Prism, automatic leveling and bed calibration so you never have to turn a knob again, high-power parallel UV LED arrays for lightning-quick printing, a high-definition 2K LCD display to print your objects at very fine resolutions, a one-click resin finder utility that helps you calibrate your print settings faster, an open-source software and hardware workflow that ensures that you are not locked into expensive proprietary parts and consumables, a compact footprint measuring 11 inches by 11 inches by 17 inches with a print area of 120 millimeters by 70 millimeters by 110 millimeters. The Prism has been designed and rigorously tested in the real world by beta testers for a variety of common uses, including miniatures and gaming, dental, jewelry and fashion, and many more applications. The Prism is a fully developed and real-world tested printer. We need your help in bringing the printer to market on the first large production run. Having years of industry experience in building and selling 3D printers and consumables, we understand exactly how to produce and deliver a quality product that consumers will love. Help us achieve our goal of disrupting 3D printing. Back the Prism 3D printer today.